Hello everyone, my name is Yvette Lee and this is Communications 231. The title of my speech is how the 11 body systems and how they function. The purpose of it is to demonstrate and to inform the class of the different body systems and how they work and their components. Did you know that there are 11 different body systems and a variety of components to keep them functioning properly? According to the Texas Heart Institute.org, if all the vessels in the cardiovascular system extended end to end, were laid end to end, they would extend for about 60,000 miles. This is far enough to wrap around the earth more than 2 times. Can you imagine that? The 11 body systems are the integumentary, skeletal, muscular, nervous, endocrine, circulatory, respiratory, digestive, and reproductive systems. The integumentary system protects against environmental hazards, injuries, and bacteria. It's also the first line of defense. It helps control body temperature 12 to 15% of the body weight with surface area of 1 to 2 meters. It consists of skin, nails, hair follicles, epidermis, dermis, and cutaneous membrane. The skeletal system provides support, protects tissues, stores minerals, and forms blood. And this consists of bones, cartilages, and joints, bone marrow, and it serves as banks for storage and release of minerals like calcium and phosphorus. The skeletal system produces movement and locomotion. The muscular system produces movement and locomotion, provides support, generates heat. It consists of skeletal muscles and tendons. The nervous system directs immediate response to stimuli by coordinating activities of other organ systems. The nervous system components are the central nervous system, or the CNS, which is the control center for the nervous system, the brain, which controls both voluntary and involuntary autonomic activities, the spinal cord, which relays information to and from the brain, peripheral nervous system, which links the CNS with other systems and sense organs. The endocrine system regulates the body chemistry and body functions, and many other body functions. The components of the endocrine system include the pineal gland, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, the parathyroid gland, and the thymus. The circulatory system transports cells and dissolved materials, including nutrients, waste, and gases. It consists of the cardiovascular system, which is the heart, and the lymphatic system, which is for fluid balance. Components of the circulatory system include the heart, blood vessels, blood, lymph, and lymph structures. And you can also see a picture of the circulatory system on slide 21. Components of the nervous system can also be found on slide 10. The respiratory system, which includes the lungs, nasal passages, diaphragm, pharynx, bronchi, and trachea. Digestive system includes the digestive system is where indigestion takes place and breaks down food, and food elimination is also take places, which is the removal of undigested and unabsorbed food from the body. The components of the digestive system include the stomach, liver, teeth, tongue, pancreas, intestine, and esophagus, which all can be found on slide 19. The urinary system controls water and salt balance, also known as the excretory system. It removes substances present in excess from the blood, and 95% of urine is water. Components of the urinary system, which can be found on slide 21, are the kidneys, bladder, urethra, and skin. The last system, reproductive system, it ensures continued existence of the human species. It stores, produces, nourishes, and transports female and male reproductive cells. Components of the reproductive system include the testes, ovaries, associated structures, which can be found on slide 23. Finally, we know that we all were created with all the same body systems that are made up of complex organs and tissues that play an important role in the regulation of our body. Each system is important to our health and well-being. In conclusion, all the body system depend on each other to properly function. There are 11 different body systems, and each system functions in a different way. They are made up of many components. Our body is like an automobile. We have to take care of our car to make sure it gets the proper inspection. If anything breaks down on our car, we have to take it to the mechanic to have it repaired. Our body is the same way. If anything breaks down on our body, we get sick or any illness, we have to go to the doctor to get medication or some kind of therapeutic solution to help heal our body and kill the bacteria and illnesses. So we have to take care of our body just like we take care of our car. Stay healthy, be happy.